Hi everyone, welcome to Exam Drill 360. Today in this video we will discuss the important 50 current affairs, be it national affairs or international affairs or any other important events which occurred in July 2025. You will get other months current affairs videos in this channel. So without wasting more time, let's get started. These are your contents and the number of questions which are covered from these contents. So let's jump to the first question. Question number 1. How much GST did India collect in July 2025? Correct answer is 1.96 trillion rupees. That is equivalent to 1.96 lakh crores. Question number 2. In July 2025, which company became India's most valuable by market capitalization? Correct answer is Reliance Industries. Question number 3. RBI kept the repo rate unchanged at how much in July 2025? Correct answer is 6.50%. Question number 4. In July 2025, the Government of India approved the strategic sale of which public sector undertaking to boost its disinvestment targets? Correct answer is SCI, Shipping Corporation of India. Question number 5. In July 2025, which state topped the list in digital payment transactions in India? Correct answer is Maharashtra. Question number 6. Which city hosted the 2025 BRICS Summit in July? Correct answer is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Question number 7. Which country officially joined BRICS as a full member during the BRICS Summit 2025 held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil? Correct answer is Indonesia. Question number 8. Which Asian country experienced a 7.2 magnitude earthquake in July 2025? Correct answer is Japan. Question number 9. In July 2025, which country assumed the presidency of the United Nations Security Council? Correct answer is Pakistan. Question number 10. Which nation signed a space collaboration pact with ISRO in July 2025? Correct answer is Argentina. Question number 11. Which satellite lost contact and was declared unrecoverable in July 2025? Correct answer is MethaneSat. Question number 12. What new AI tool did OpenAI launch in July 2025? Correct answer is ChatGPT Agent. Question number 13. NASA confirmed the safe flyby of which asteroid on July 30, 2025? Correct answer is 2025 OL1. Question number 14. What Indian state launched AI school labs in July 2025? Correct answer is Kerala. Question number 15. ISRO announced Chandrayaan 4 mission is planned for which year? Correct answer is 2027. Question number 16. Who won the 2025 Wimbledon men's singles title? Correct answer is Jannik Sinner. Question number 17. Which cyclist won the 2025 Tour de France, securing his 4th overall title at the end of July? Correct answer is Tadej Pogacar. Question number 18. Which major milestone did the Indian women's cricket team achieve in England in July 2025? Correct answer is first ever T20I series win in England. Question number 19. India won which position in the Asian Athletics Championship 2025? Correct answer is second position. Question number 20. Which country clinched its 10th CONCACAF Gold Cup title on July 6, 2025 by defeating the USA 2-1 in the final held at Houston, Texas? Correct answer is Mexico. Question number 21. Which state launched the Green India drone mission in July 2025? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 22. India's first under-river metro tunnel started operations in which city? Correct answer is Kolkata. Question number 23. India signed an MOU with which country for renewable energy collaboration in July 2025? Correct answer is Denmark. Question number 24. In July 2025, India inaugurated its first under-river metro tunnel connecting Howrah and Kolkata. Which section of the metro corridor does this belong to? Correct answer is East-West corridor. Question number 25. What is the name of India's new indigenous torpedo successfully tested in July 2025? Correct answer is Barunastra. Question number 26. Who became the new MD and CEO of LIC in July 2025? Correct answer is R. Doraiswamy. Question number 27. Who is the new Chief of Indian Navy as of July 2025? Correct answer is Dinesh Tripathi. Question number 28. Who took over as the Flag Officer Commanding in Chief of the Indian Navy's Western Naval Command on July 31st, 2025? Correct answer is Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Question number 29. In July 2025, who was appointed as the Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is Kesavan Ramachandran. Question number 30. On July 21st, 2025, which Indian diplomat was nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the President of India? Correct answer is Harshvardhan Shringla. Question number 31. Olympic biathlete Laura Daimler passed away during mountaineering in which country? Correct answer is Pakistan. Question number 32. Which renowned Indian cartoonist passed away in July 2025? Correct answer is R.K. Laxman. Question number 33. Former Indian governor and senior bureaucrat Najib Jung passed away. He served as Lieutenant Governor of which Union Territory? Correct answer is Delhi. Question number 34. Which veteran Indian filmmaker best known for directing the 1978 classic film Dawn passed away in July 2025? Correct answer is Chandra Barot. Question number 35. Which legendary Indian marathoner known as the Turbaned Tornado passed away in a tragic road accident in mid-July 2025? Correct answer is Fauja Singh. Question number 36. Which award was conferred to Varsha Deshpande, a women's rights activist from Maharashtra, in July 2025 for her contributions to population and reproductive health? Correct answer is United Nations Population Award. Question number 37. Which Indian author won the 2025 International Booker Prize in May in an achievement widely reported through July 2025? Correct answer is Banu Mustaq. Question number 38. Which PhD scholar won the first prize at the SOMS 2025 competition held in Gandhinagar, Gujarat during July 3 to 5, 2025? Correct answer is Neha Thakare. Question number 39. Indian scientist Dr. Soumya Swaminathan received which global award in July 2025? Correct answer is MS Swaminathan Award. Question number 40. In July 2025, which institution received two prestigious awards from the Central Public Works Department, including Best Project and Best MEP Services for Excellence in Infrastructure? Correct answer is IIM Bodh Gaya. Question number 41. Which Indian city topped the Swachh Sarvekshan 2025 rankings? Correct answer is Indore. Question number 42. What date did India celebrate Digital India Week in July 2025? Correct answer is 3rd to 9th July. Question number 43. Which event was observed across India on July 29th, 2025 to raise awareness about tiger conservation and the country's achievement in doubling its tiger population? Correct answer is International Tiger Day. Question number 44. What is the theme of World Population Day 2025? Correct answer is Empowering Youth. Question number 45. What is the name of the India's first AI news anchor launched in July 2025? Correct answer is Sana. Question number 46. What was India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is 39th. Question number 47. Which organization released the Global Food Security Index 2025? Correct answer is Economist Intelligence Unit. Question number 48. India's rank in Henley Passport Index July 2025 is? Correct answer is 77th rank. Question number 49. Which state topped the Niti Aayog's SDG index in July 2025? Correct answer is Kerala. Question number 50. What was India's GDP growth rate for Q1 FY26 as reported in July 2025? Correct answer is 6.5%. Thank you everyone for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.